Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make praline paste, only way. Toast nuts until fragrant, caramelize sugar to a deep amber color, then combine and blend until silky. Use 200 g pecans, 120 g sugar, 30 g butter, and 1 tsp salt as a reliable ratio. Optional 1-2 tablespoon cream smooths texture. Cool, jar, and refrigerate, and use in ganache, ice cream, or pastries for rich, nutty flavor. Gather ingredients and tools before you start to keep heat management steady. I like to pre-toast pecans for extra depth, then melt sugar slowly to avoid burning. A heavy-bottomed pan gives even heat, and a high-speed blender turns the crunchy caramel into silky paste. Keep butter and optional cream nearby for quick emulsion. Work efficiently once sugar hits amber, and cool on parchment before transferring to a jar. Start by toasting pecans in a dry pan until they smell nutty, then set them aside. Slowly caramelize sugar, avoid stirring too much, and pour amber caramel over nuts. Spread on parchment and let it cool just enough to handle, then break into pieces. Pulse pieces in a blender with butter and salt, adding 1-2 tablespoon cream if the texture is too stiff. Scrape down sides and blend until a glossy, spreadable paste forms.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.